Hello guys, welcome to my channel Learn with DevOps Engineer. In this video we are going to talk about DevOps. So a quick overview of DevOps in 5 minutes. What is DevOps? A set of practices that combines software development and IT operations. So what is the goal of DevOps? Faster, more reliable software delivery through collaboration and automation. DevOps Lifecycle. So DevOps Lifecycle has different steps, as you can see on my screen. Plan. What is plan? So teams plan features, updates, and software. Code. Developers write code, usually in version control environments like GitHub or GitLab. Build. Code is automatically built into executables. Test. Automated tests ensure code quality. Releases. Code is deployed to staging environments. Deploy. Release code to production, often using continuous integration and continuous deployment CI.CD pipelines. Operate. Software runs in production and teams monitor performance. Monitor. Using monitoring tools to ensure uptime, performance, and quick issue resolution. The next step is DevOps Tools. As you can see on my screen, there are like different DevOps tools. In terms of CI/CD, we have like Jenkins, GitHub Actions, GitLab CI. In terms of infrastructure as code, we have like Terraform, Ansible, Puppet, Chef. And in terms of containerization, we have like Docker, Kubernetes for scaling and managing applications. Monitoring. We do have like Prometheus, Grafana, New Relic, Nagios. They're like different monitoring tools. And for collaboration, we have like Slack, Jira, Microsoft Teams. The next comes DevOps Culture. Shifting from siloed teams to collaborative teams. That means you build it, you run it. Devs are responsible for both code and how it runs in production, continuous feedback and improvement. What are the benefits of DevOps? Faster delivery of features, better stability and reliability of applications, better collaborations and efficiency. Let's see DevOps engineer salary overview across the globe. In United States, we have $110,000 to $140,000 per year. In United Kingdom, we have 50,000 pounds to 80,000 pounds per year. And in India, we have 10 lakhs per annum to 25 lakhs per annum. Salaries vary by location, experience level, industry as well. Senior level engineers or specialists can earn even more. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this, please subscribe now for a chance to receive a free Udemy DevOps course valued at $100, available to the first 1,000 subscribers. Thank you.